Anyway, cladding. We've cladded the back doors, we've done the sides, the roof, the sliding doors, and then we've done over the wheel box as well, which just looks so much better. It looks amazing. So now we're going to paint it white, so we're going to have the white and the grey. But yeah, it's a really long task in the cladding. It looks amazing, and I think you'll agree it does look amazing, but it takes a lot longer than you think. We've been super busy, so we've only been able to do like an hour in the evenings and the odd weekend here and there. So to do the cladding, it's probably taken us 2 or 3 weeks, but obviously if you actually did it, I'd say you probably need, I would say you need at least like 2 full days, and that, full days I'd say going from 8 AM in the morning to probably 6 o'clock at night. If you get 2 full days, you can probably do it, and then obviously you've got to paint it as well. But it's a little fiddly bits, around the wheel box and everything like that. It takes a while, but anyway, it looks great. Let's go on the painting.